Lockdown doesn't have to stop our cravings for a nice chaat. Presenting the Mumbai's favorite and most famous street food, Ragda Patties. Hi, this is Mano and welcome to another very interesting recipe. Ragda Patties is pan-fried patties topped with ragda, which is sweet, tangy, crunchy and soft melt in mouth and is filling and wholesome. If you are new here, please do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so I can meet you every time. Let's get started. First, let's make patties. For this, in a big bowl, let's take 3 cups mashed or grated boiled potatoes. Let's add the masalas now. First goes in red chili powder. Next goes garam masala and black salt. Next we add chaat masala and turmeric powder. Next goes cumin powder and coriander powder. Add ginger garlic paste. Add chopped green chili. Add salt. Add aval or poha, which I have soaked in water for some time until soft, and squeezed and mashed them. This acts as a binding agent. If you have few small chunks, try to break them with a potato masher or a ladle as shown in the video until everything combines well. A quick tip here, I have boiled the potatoes the previous day. You can do the same. Grease your hand with some oil and take a handful of mix, form it into a ball, and as you see in the video, flatten them to form nice round patties. If you feel the potato mix is still loose, you can add some corn flour or rice flour and make them into patties. These patties are pan fried and crispy and lightly spiced, and you can even have it plain too. And this quantity of potato mix makes exactly 24 patties. If you like this video, please do comment me down below and please do share with your parents, family and friends. So now we have all 24 patties ready and I like to keep them in fridge for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare ragda, which is dried white pea or watana masala. I have soaked them overnight, washed them in the morning and add fresh water, and right now I am going to add a pinch of soda, add salt, add turmeric powder, add some oil, and let's pressure cook them for 5 to 6 whistles. It's very important that the peas are cooked till mushy. Let's pan fry the patties right now. Heat a dosa pan or tawa, add 3 tablespoons oil. On medium flame, let's cook all the patties. First, let's cook one side and then cook the other side. We need to cook both the sides until we get nice brown color and they are crispy outside and soft from inside. Please add oil as and when needed and keep cooking the patties as you see in the video. Now repeat the same process for all the patties. Now the patties is all ready and let's start preparing ragda. Now let's heat a pan on medium flame and add 3 tablespoons of oil, and once oil is hot, add chopped onion. Now let's add ginger garlic paste, add turmeric powder and red chili powder, add garam masala, add salt. Allow the onion to cook until they are soft and start to turn little brown. At this point, add chopped tomato and cook them very well until tomato gets all mushy. Once tomatoes are well cooked, add cooked white peas and add water to adjust the consistency. Quick tip here, please always add hot water. At this stage, allow everything to cook together and check for salt, and finally add coriander leaves to finish it off. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share the video with someone today. Now our ragda and patties both are ready. This quantity of ragda patties serves 6 people. Now let's make simple green chutney. Take a mixie jar, add chopped green chili and chopped ginger, add handful of coriander leaves, add salt, kala namak and jeera powder, add curd and grind them with little water to make a fine paste as you see in the video. Now for serving the ragda patties, take a serving plate, place 3 patties, pour generous amount of ragda on top, add well beaten curd, add green chutney, sprinkle red chili powder and chaat masala, add chopped onion for the crunchiness, squeeze a lemon on top. If you have sweet chutney, you can add some on top, sprinkle coriander leaves, and one of the most famous street food of Mumbai, ragda patties, is ready to be served. Enjoy this yummy ragda patties with your family and please do remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Stay home and stay safe.